Well, fishers, this is the first fishing report for 2013 for us, and we've got a reasonable report, although this heat is making things very difficult, especially in the trout scene. Dartmouth fishing all right, but you're going to have to use a downrigger or a lead line. 30 feet down seems to be the go there at the moment, getting some very good quality rainbows. Fenders and worms seem to be the go. Also, there's a few Macquarie perch getting caught, but don't forget you are only allowed one. That is the bag limit Macquarie perch in Victoria, none in New South Wales. Middle River and all those streams are fishing well, no problem there. The hoppers are starting to move, so get into a few bit of hopper fishing, bit of cricket fishing, that sort of thing. You'll get some nice trout down there in the streams. Hume, we're very disappointing. You'll pick up a few redfin there, but that's about all. You're going to work pretty darn hard for them. If you get 10 to 15 for the day, you're doing really well. That seems to be the go at the moment. Little yabbies are all right, and trolling's okay. We're getting some really good fish out of the Murrumbidgee River though. It's fantastic. It is going off its nut. Plenty of cod, plenty of yellow belly, most of them on big yabbies at the moment, looking really promising. Worms are good, but you're going to get a lot of little fish on worms, shrimp or anything of that nature. We are getting some very, very good catches in the river and the creek, so anybody doesn't want to travel far, that's the place to be. A few fish coming out of Lake Albert, reasonably happy with that. Mawala, it's starting to pick up a little bit, and a little bit of surface lure action happening down there, so it's pretty good at the moment as well. Flowering Dam, still getting some good fish out of there, but there's a lot of boats up there, making it a little bit tough, but getting some very big cod, trolling with spinnerbaits. Big, heavy 2-ounce mudgut spinnerbait seems to be the go at the moment. Getting some good quality fish on them. Red and blacks, purples doesn't seem to matter much. Late in the afternoon of a night time seems to be the best option, or fishing off the bank with yabbies. Bit of activity at Talbingo Dam. There's a few trout coming out of there. Most of them are on lead line or downriggers as well. And once we get up to Eucalypt and Tangrid Jindabyne, we're still getting fish out of there, but early morning, late afternoon, and if you're fishing in the middle of the day, lead line's the absolute way to go. Burrinjuck, been a bit patchy on the 28th of December. Seemed to have shut down a fair bit compared to what it was, but we're still getting fish out of it. We're working a lot harder. So there's plenty of options down the coast. So if you've got time, you're on holidays, no problems with catching a fish anywhere at the moment. Good luck and good fishing.